So if it is populated up, then it should close it, and it should give us a input box so that we can enter it manually. Okay, so that the execution moves ahead. It should close it, and it should give us so already we have written it, right? So it should give us a manual box once again where we can enter a different set of things. Okay, a different email ID I can create it. So that is what my plan is. Let me move on to my QTP. Okay, so here I write a condition statement after giving a username. If let me open object repository, password, right? This one, password underscore 2. If this is existing actually, dot exist. Let me take 2 to 3 seconds, not more than that. Time waste. So that we can take it to one variable called duplicate email, the email. So if the email equals to true, means if that is existing, then close it, close it. So already have added that information into object repository, the link. Just click on that link, that's enough. It will automatically closed. Or else simply we can use a command called close also. Just click on that. Perfect. Closing it, it should give us a box where I can enter the data. Dot set input box, enter email ID. Okay, so I have made it as attended script. Actually we need to attend that script because I have used the input box. It is not completely unattended one. So let's see whether it works or not. Gmail.com. Let me run this, guys. It should handle this actually. It should close this and it should give a populated up a message so that I can enter my data to it. That is what I am expecting. Let's see how it behaves. Perfect. It has given the email ID. So here it has given up the populated one. So if I can give my other new one, it will take and it will go ahead with this. So this pop-up box only comes if you give it duplicate data. See here. The data what I have created now it has been taken up. Very simple. Very good. So now let's stop the test. Everything going good with us now? Okay, perfect. So we have used regular expression, we have used input boxes, lot of things. Okay, now let's develop the test data. Let's move back to our Excel sheet once again. Let's see where we have left it. Here we go. Okay, so we have mobile number and everything. Let's make changes to our script so that it takes the data from this Excel sheets. Okay, sure. So email dot set from where it should take from data table. So I'm going to take this data table dot value. So before to this data what have in this Excel sheet, I'm going to take this into a new runtime data table and I'm planning to name it as user data. I'm going to create a sheet called user data sheet. To that sheet I'm going to take this data. Okay, user data sheet I'm going to create in a runtime data table, and to that I'm going to take this sheet. Try to understand that. Okay, data table dot value. So column name email, and I'm taking it to a new sheet. All this Excel sheet what you are seeing, I need to import that to a runtime data table, right? In the runtime data table I'm going to create a new sheet called user data. To that sheet I'm going to import this user data. So it should be taken up to the user data. Simple. Column name comma sheet name. For the password, so it is password. Set data table dot value password. I'm removing all the hard coded values from the script and I'm trying to fetch the data from your Excel sheet. So one thing is left. I need to create this user data actually, a sheet in a runtime data table. So I will create it in the main script and driver script. Perfect. So this Kiran should be taken from name. And this will be from, I'm not sure what I have written for this. This is for mobile. Perfect. So this is the data. Everything is good now. So let me save this test. So where I need to save it, let me save this as framework reusable actions. Okay, perfect. Now let's deal with few more things